all across this state, there are families who've done everything right, but who are now facing foreclosure or seeing their home values just plummet because of bad decisions on Wall Street and in Washington. Now, the other week, Senator McCain came out with a proposal that he said would help ease the burden on homeowners by buying up bad mortgages at face value, even though they're not worth that much anymore. So here's the thing, Florida. His plan would amount to a $300 billion bailout for Wall Street banks. And guess what? It would be paid for by all of you, the American taxpayer. And that might sound like a good idea to the former bank lobbyists who are working on Senator McCain's campaign, but that's not the change America needs. We have to act quickly to address this housing crisis. And that's why last March, I was calling for us to help innocent home buyers. That's why I fought to make sure the recent rescue package gives the Treasury Department the responsibility and authority to help homeowners avoid foreclosure. But we should not put your tax dollars at unnecessary risk. We should not let banks and lenders off the hook when it was their greed and irresponsibility that got us into this mess. We should not be bailing out Wall Street. We should be restoring opportunity on Main Street. And that's what I'll do when I'm President of the United States of America. If the American people are going to put up $700 billion to rescue our financial institutions, we should make sure those institutions are doing their part for the American people. That's why I've called for a 3-month moratorium on foreclosures. If you're a bank or a lender that's getting money from the rescue plan and your customers are making a good faith effort to make their mortgage payments, but they need a little bit of time to renegotiate, you will not be able to foreclose on their home for 3 months. Now, we've also put in place long-term measures to restore our credit market and help families refinance their mortgages. But until those measures start working, we need to help homeowners stay in their homes, and that's what this foreclosure freeze will do. And while we're at it, there's another step we can take to help innocent homeowners that won't cost taxpayers a dime. Listen to this. Right now, if you only own one home, you're not allowed to write down your mortgage in bankruptcy court. But if you own more than one home, if you own, say, 6 or 7 homes, then you can write down your mortgage on your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth, your sixth, and your 7th home. That might help Senator McCain sleep easier at night, but it isn't right, and it will change when I'm President of the United States of America.